I'm Sean, this is the Fix My Home channel. So today I want to show you how you can fix the pressure washer so it's not coming on. This is the gcv190. So this pressure washer was sitting in the storage for 1 year, so and it's not coming on. So the 99% most of the time is a carburetor is behind this, so that's clogged. We have to clean that. So we take this screw off. There was the air filter here, so I took the air filter out. We take this screw off. That's we need the socket number 10. So be careful with that gasket, just make sure you don't lose it. That gasket go behind this box. So it has a hose in the back, so we have to disconnect that hose so we can take this box out. Take that one off. We have to take this hose off, so make sure your gas line is closed. So we have a clamp, you have to lose that clamps. Okay, we took the gas line off. So to take those, you have to turn this to the right, to the left, I'm sorry, and just take that this thing off like that. Okay, we took the carburetor out, so we have to take that screw out. To clean the behind that, we have to take this screw out. You have to clean all this. Okay, I took that screw off. So when I took that screw off, I take that cap off. So behind that, so this one is work good. So we have to, I don't know if you can see inside the tube right there, we have to take that one off. So if you have a flat screwdriver, you can take that one off. So I'll take that one off and take that screw off, and we'll clean the inside. So I took that part off with the screw, so we have to clean that with the spray. And after that, so we get the wire and we start cleaning the inside of that. And also here I took that screw off. So this piece is a problem. You see how is a clog. So that's a problem. That's why it's not coming out. So you have to clean all this, and all this hole you have to clean it, clean this hole. So this piece is come from here. So we're gonna put everything back together. So in this piece, so you see you have a bigger size and a smaller size. So a smaller size go first and bigger size stay out. So we're gonna put the smaller size in, and after that we put the I put everything back together. I tied this, I put that screw back, and I put everything back here. Everything is back normal and clean. So the same way we take it off, we're gonna put everything back. So I'm gonna connect that hose here and put this one back here the same way, and we're gonna start it to see. Okay, we put everything back together. We put these two screws and everything is secured. So now we put the choke on the start side. We put that on the on. We open the gas. So now it's ready to start. Let's see if it works.